After seeing those demos, I think the obvious question is really where does somebody start? So Adam, I'll go to you, and then I'll go to Kelly.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a challenging one, right? Where do you start? You can't do it all, and everything's evolving so quickly. So you probably already have, if you're not, it's probably coming very, very shortly, is you'll have teams of people already starting to work with some tools and finding some successes. Or you have other teams that are really interested, but they haven't been provided the tools that they can use yet. So I would focus on a specific area. You've already got someone that you know is really interested. My guess is that you have some company initiative around, hey, we got to figure out this AI thing. So, but focus, keep that domain, whether or not it's in finance or it's in supply chain or a specific area. And then really think about building the layer. We talked about the layer to kind of get a starting point that you know is going to provide accurate results.
Okay, great. Kelly, over to you.
Yeah, no, great demo by the way, Adam. Love that, and totally agree with those starting points. I would say too something that we mentioned earlier, and you alluded to here. I mean, there's a kind of a people decision. I think David talked about earlier. These models are fantastic today. I mean, they're going to get better every 3 months, every 6 months, maybe even shorter, and be able to do more. You just look back at really less than 4 years ago when the democratization of AI took place. That is less than 4 years ago to see where we are today. So I would totally agree. It's not about the model. It's not about the technology. You absolutely, Adam, like you said, have to focus. And I'd say that take a look at people. I think every organization, that people aspect is so important today because you have some extreme optimists like me that are going, oh my gosh, I can do just about anything. I've had a multiple personal wow moments around, building with AI, creating with AI. I've had a lot of, learnings along the way as well, right? I think we all have. But then on the other end of the spectrum, you've also got, I guess I'll say skeptics, folks who have not in every organization, who have not really even started the process, started the journey. And I don't think it's necessarily, I think part of what Adam said too, I mean, make sure that everybody's got access to the tooling that they need and the capabilities or getting, the training or the enablement that they need. But I think beyond that, let's assume they have all those things. They just have not had that personal moment that they go, "Oh my gosh, I did not realize that this thing was possible." And I don't think that personal moment can be something like like 10, oh, I'm doing something, 10% faster or 15% faster. I think it's got to be something that they literally could not do before. And I'm not talking about, hey, I built this software application. It could be, right? It could be. I've had those personal wow moments, but it could be for a marketer. It could be for a finance person. It could be for an operational person. It could be for a salesperson. Could be for a developer, a builder, an architect, whatever the role is, whatever the level in the organization is too. This could go to the board level. This could go to the executive level, any leader and any individual contributor. If we can figure out a way to help them as product companies, Fivetran, as consulting firms, QuickLaunch, have that personal wow moment from a personal perspective, because we know the tooling is there. We just saw it with Adam. The tooling is there to do this. I think that we are going to see just some incredible things happening within organizations. So my personal goal this year at Fivetran is to, help the team, help Fivetran, everybody in the organization kind of move to the other side. Hey, I've had that. Oh, what can I do now? Like you can't sleep at night because you're thinking about what could I do next. So for me, it's start with people.